Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best flowers to plant in spring for a stunning garden. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with tulips. Tulips are the perfect choice if you're looking for flowers that give a vibrant feel and add charm to your garden during spring. Plant a variety of tulips so your garden can remain stunning with vibrant colors throughout the season. Planting the flowers is easy. However, plant them during the fall so they can bud by spring. Unfortunately, squirrels tend to eat tulip bulbs, so select a safe planting spot or use barriers to keep the squirrels away. Marigolds. Marigolds brighten your garden with their orange hues, creating a lovely display each spring. Apart from their beauty, the flowers are mosquito repellents and deter other pests, offering companionship to other plants. Furthermore, marigolds are self-sowing, so you will not replant each year. Allium. Alliums are a must-have if you're looking for an easy-to-grow spring flower. Apart from their beauty, alliums easily attract bees, which is good for pollination. The flower's bulbs come in different heights and colors, making for a stunning garden. The flowers are also rodent and deer resistant, hence a good choice for gardens near wildlife. Lilac. Imagine having a shrub of purple-scented flowers in your garden. Lilacs have a way of making you smile when you spot them in your garden. The flowers come in different colors, from purple to lavender to pink to blue, and thrive in direct sunlight. Prune them when they bloom during spring so they can blossom. Hydrangeas. Unlike many other flowers, it is best to plant hydrangeas after flowering. This way the roots are established and you can pick the types and colors you like. Ensure you place them where they can benefit from both shade and sunlight so they can grow. Which is the best? Lilacs are the best flowers to plant in your garden in the spring as they are attractive and produce a pleasant scent. However, you can grow different flowers during spring, and they all create a stunning garden, so choose the flower to plant based on your preferences. Thanks for watching.